Shalini and I'm from Modern Plastics India. And we are celebrating our 26th anniversary here with Mr. Opender and Mr. Jotesh Nambar from the company Om Galaxy Limited. So I have some questions from you. Sir, could you tell me your company journey?
A company like we started with a small workshop, and today we are around a lakh of square feet. Today we are around a lakh of square feet company where we are manufacturing plastic injection molds and for PVC industry, for automobile industry, for industrial use, and we have our own product Wandra where we are making household house cleaning items. So, and we started with a humble beginning, and over a period of around say 30 years, we have come a long way where we are known as one of the good tool makers in this country. We stand among the top 10 good tool makers in the country.
Wonderful. So let's move towards another question. My question is, what are your products range and what are the features?
We make molds for automobile and pipe fitting in India. Or we make all pipe fitting molds like SWR, CPVC, UPVC, PPR. Any type of fittings mold we can make. Also in automobile, we make all car parts, truck parts, and all major automobile companies are our customers.
Great. Uh, is there any message that you want to give to the new startups and the new entrepreneurs?
Yeah, they should be very honest in the approach. Also, it is a very cost intensive.
They should have patience, integrity, then only it is possible. Otherwise, today's generation just want to say something and make money. It is not easy. So you have to really toil yourself, work hard, and then only you will be able to grow. Otherwise, it is not possible. So young industry has to work hard. It's not that simple to work.
Very true. The qualities and values like perseverance, patience is required to keep a step in the industry, right?
Yes, correct, correct.
And I would like to know that how is your company helping Indian and global industry?
Uh, our company, like when around few years back, everybody wanted to go abroad and get their molds made in China or other parts of the world. Now we are making all that good quality of molds in India. We are saving a lot of our foreign currency, and we are making the same and better quality molds in India now. So now people don't have to go anywhere in the world. They can make everything in house. Earlier they used to think like whenever they wanted a big product or big project was there, they always went ahead, abroad. Now everybody is making in India, and India is growing like anything, and the future seems to be very, very bright for us.
It's great to see a great contribution. And I also want to know that why you chose this platform, the PlastIndia 2026, which is obviously the world's largest exhibition. Why specifically you chose this platform to show up?
In PlastIndia, we exhibiting from 2009
Oh, great.
as a small company. Now, now we take a bigger stall, and we are doing a good show here and showcasing good mold, which is having 8 cavity. Uh, we showing our capability in that way.
Amazing. The I want to know that the free trade agreement between India and European Union, is it helping you?
It will definitely help us because today the cost in Germany and other things are going very high, and this is the only country where they can give them their quality at a reasonable price. So they will also be more interested in coming to us, and we are even more interested to work with them because there will be so much to learn from them.
So I see it is really helpful for you and for everybody around the world.
Yeah, it will be really helpful because in Europe the cost it is very high, Even the labor cost, labor all it is not available there. Uh, Like you need in the tolling business, it is not available there. So people should come here only, and we give good service to them. They can communicate very easily to India, and free trade agreement definitely help us a lot.
Great. Thank you so much for all the information that you have given and for your precious